Do you know where Dave is?
No, ma'am.
Do you know where Dave is?
No, ma'am, I don't.
How about you? Do you know where Dave is?
Dave isn't there.
Dave Strand, get your lazy ass up and seal coat my driveway.
Hello, Mrs. Karl. Well, it's been 4 years since we seal coated Mrs. Karl's driveway, and it's ready again. And with 9 million views and counting, we know you want to see the sequel. The first thing we do is we take our weed whip and we trim the grass that's growing over the edge of the driveway. They're also cleaning the vegetation out of the cracks with the weed whip. The next thing we'll do is blow off the driveway with our billy goat blowers. Katie's going to fire it up and show you how we do that. Because this driveway has just a couple of small cracks, we're going to go ahead and use our banders rather than use the tow behind crack machine. The next step in preparing the driveway for seal coating, Katie is edging the driveway nice and neat with our 10-inch edging brushes. While my crew finishes prepping the driveway for spray, I'm going to go ahead and suit up. Because this driveway is so small, we won't be driving on it, but under normal circumstances, we'll paint the cracks so the truck tires don't pick up the material. I've heard people on my channel tell me that you can't spray a driveway. That's garbage. I'm going to show you how to spray a driveway. The first thing I'll do is I'll run my wand at an angle so that we don't get any overspray on the concrete or on the grass. Also just barely cracking my wand so we don't get a lot of pressure. last thing we do is we finish off the driveway with our 10-inch cutting brushes. Nice and neat and clean. And that is how you seal coat a small driveway.
Nice job, Dave.
Thank you, Mrs. Karl.